Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to use one of the most basic but essential functions in Microsoft Excel, the sum function. Whether you are managing finances, tracking sales, or just adding up numbers, this function will save you time and effort. To make it easier for you, I have provided an exercise file in the description below, so be sure to download it and follow along. Now let's dive in. First, open the file you downloaded from the description. It contains a small dataset with 5 different fruits, their quantities, prices per unit, and total prices. Our goal is to calculate the total quantities sold and the total revenue using a sum function. Let's start by adding up the total quantity. Click on the empty cell below the quantity column. Now type this formula B2, B6 and press enter. You will see that Excel quickly adds up all the values in column B. Now let's calculate the total revenue using the AutoSum function. Click on the empty cell below the total price column, go to Home tab and click AutoSum button. Excel will automatically select the numbers above. Press enter and you will see the total revenue calculated instantly. You can also sum multiple columns together. Let's say we want to add the total quantity and the total revenue in one formula. Click on any empty cell and type sum B2 B6 comma D2 to D6 and press enter. Excel will automatically calculate the total of both ranges, and that's it. We learned 3 simple ways to use the sum function in Excel: typing the formula manually, using the auto sum function, summing multiple ranges together. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to download the exercise file from the description and practice on your own. If you found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Excel tutorials. See you in the next video.